Hello, welcome to this series of videos where we will explore the fundamentals of computer-aided design, CAD, in relation to the Edexcel GCSE Design and Technology NEA. In this video, we will take you from an assumed starting point of zero experience or understanding of CAD to a position where you're equipped to start using it with your classes. This video series will be suitable for trainee teachers who are preparing to deliver GCSE D&T for the first time, or an experienced D&T teacher who's looking to expand their offering. Computer-aided design can be defined as using computer software and systems to design, modify, and visualize digital solutions. These can include, but are not limited to, circuits, 2D technical drawings, 3D designs, and even graphical simulations that can be virtually tested and evaluated, which can contribute to NEA marking grids. In its broadest sense, CAD can include using presentational software like PowerPoint to create digital displays, or using photo editing software like Photoshop to create and modify visual images. In this video, though, we will look at using CAD to produce designs of products in both 2 and 3 dimensions to support the GCSE Design and Technology NEA. In the Edexcel GCSE D&T NEA, CAD contributes to the evidence of design activities within a portfolio and can be accredited within the Communication Grid 2.4. Alongside written and drawn communication, CAD is another tool that students are encouraged to implement as part of their iterative design approach. Computer-aided design allows students to digitally model designs in both 2D and 3D with precise dimensions, import pre-designed component libraries of parts, create photorealistic renders, to simulate their designs, to collaborate, and if available, to link to CNC equipment such as CNC routers, 3D printers, and laser cutters. You may already have access to various types of CAD, for example, TechSoft 2D Design or Circuit Wizard, which you should of course continue to use as your pedagogy and your context requires. However, for the purposes of this video series, we're going to focus on using TinkerCad, because it's suitable for all age ranges, irrespective of the complexity of their design ideas. It's free to use for all teachers and students. It's browser-based, meaning it doesn't require installation to a desktop computer, and it includes functionality for teachers to administer and monitor classes during its use, which supports the NEA administration process. We are not going to explore the full functionality of TinkerCad in this video series. So let's get going. All you will need is access to a computer with a modern browser, internet access, and preferably a 3-button mouse. It's worth noting there is also a TinkerCad app for the iOS, which has close to the same interface but has some navigational differences you should be aware of due to the touchscreen. First of all, navigate to tinkercad.com. If you've never used the software before, select Sign Up in the top right-hand corner. If you're just exploring the software, you can create a personal account. However, if you work in a school, I recommend you select Educators Start Here. You'll need to read and agree the terms and conditions, and then you can sign in with your email or a single sign-on provider. Let's take a quick look at the homepage. At the top you'll find links to resources, your classrooms, projects, and the gallery. Feel free to explore these. In the middle of the page you'll see your classes. This area will be empty for you right now. In the top right corner, you can access and edit your account details, and on the left, you can find shortcuts to your classes, designs, and tutorials. We are now going to walk through how to create a TinkerCad classroom. When a teacher creates a class for their students in TinkerCad classrooms, it creates a smoother experience for both students and teachers and reduces the amount of time it takes for everyone to get started. As an added benefit, TinkerCad Classroom provides you with a comprehensive view of all your students' work. With TinkerCad Classrooms, you can organise students into classes with a maximum of 250 per class, review and edit students' designs and profiles, moderate student activities, for example liking, ensure students' online safety and privacy with safe mode enabled as a default, browse a class gallery for an overview of student design progress, and invite co-teachers to view and evaluate students' designs. So let's look at how to create a class. First of all, click on Create New Class. Enter a classroom name and grade level and subject if you want. You can add students by typing in their name. This will automatically generate a nickname for them. Press Save Changes after each student. Select Back to Class when you're ready. Now you will see a list of students and their nicknames and also a button to Share Class Link. Your students need two pieces of information to access this classroom. Firstly, the class link or code, and number 2, their nickname. You can find more information on TinkerCad classes following this link.